Hello friends, welcome to my channel Sunu's Soulful Cooking. Paneer is also known as Indian cottage cheese. It can be easily made at home with just 2 ingredients. Paneer, as we all know, is rich in proteins and is a good substitute for meat. Come, let's make soft fresh paneer at home. Heat milk in a thick bottomed vessel. Here I have taken 2 liters of full cream milk. Keep stirring to prevent burning at the bottom. When the milk starts to boil, add 3 to 4 tablespoons of lime juice. After adding the lime juice, turn off the stove. You can see the milk has started to curdle and the whey is separating out. Now we have to strain this. Rinse it with water. Here I have got a paneer maker mold. It has a center part with holes, a bottom plate and a lid. You can also use a clean cotton cloth, but I find this more convenient. Transfer this curdled milk to the paneer mold. Press it firmly so that the water oozes out. Keep a heavy object on top. Here I have used a mortar. Place this on a strainer. Keep it for 2 hours. Let all the water drain. After 2 hours, our paneer is ready. Soft and fresh paneer. You can cut them into cubes and use it in your dishes. So please do try this at home. If you liked my video, please like, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.